In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily invite users to join your organization. We're going to kind of focus on student accounts here. With our new student dashboard, this is really a neat feature that really works well with our student dashboard. So what I'm going to do is show you how to go ahead and easily send out, invite users to your organization. First of all, there are a few different ways to do this. The most basic way is when you create a session. I already have some sessions created. Go up here and edit. Go to publish. And if I have sign-in required, if I send this link out to users to go ahead and play a session, they're going to be asked to sign in. And if they don't have an account, they can create an account at that time. So that's one way. Another way is go up to users. So only administrators have this option at top. Go to users. And I'm going to go ahead and invite a user. So I click on invite users, and I can invite users depending on the licenses available. Now you'll see right now we only have one administrator license and no builder or instructor. So these are things you work out when you subscribe. But you notice we have 92 student accounts available. And if you need to increase that number, please contact us. All I have to do is click on this, and it gives me the option of a link. I copy the link, and I just simply mail it out to people I want to invite to my organization. And if we did have an instructor license or a builder license, you do the exact same thing. That's perfect. Also, just to point out, if you need to, change somebody's level. So let's say, for example, Joe is going from a student, and you're going to make Joe a builder or administrator. Just simply click on Joe, and you would change his level here. Now, currently, we don't have any other levels available to us, but if we did, you would just simply change it here as the administrator and click save. Well, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.